week we're going to be doing a rounds for time workout. So there's 10 rounds, there's 4 exercises. Each exercise is 10 reps. So you're going to do 10 reps of each exercise and try to go through and do 10 rounds. As little rest as possible. I am going to set a time cap of 30 minutes because these are what our workouts are. 20 to 30 minute workouts that you can do any day of the week. No equipment is needed for this one, so you can do it anytime, anywhere, and get it done. All right? So your first exercise, you guessed it, we're going to do burpees. So any style of burpee you want to do. I like doing the commando style burpees. So essentially, we're going to be standing. We're going to take our hands down to the ground. We're going to step or jump the feet back. So for the commando burpee, you're going all the way down to the ground, lifting the hands quick, bringing back up to plank, stepping or jumping the feet in, and then a little jump at the top, okay? Alternatively, if you want to scale it back a little bit, hands come down, we step back, we're in a plank, we step back in, little hop at the top, okay? So you can scale it for whatever your level is. All right, then we have air squats. So feet are about hip width apart. We just want to keep that chest and shoulders nice and tall. We're going to squat down as low as we can, making sure that our knees don't go way over top of our toes. They're right in line with the heel and the tip of the toe, all the way back up. So down as far as you can, all the way back up, okay? Next up, push-ups. So we're down on the ground. So essentially, we're going to try to go for a push-up on our toes. So we're going to have our hands about shoulder width apart, right underneath our shoulders here. And we're going to be on our toes. Core is tucked, so pelvis is tucked in. We don't want that butt up in the air. So pelvis is tucked under. We're going to take it all the way down to the ground, press it all the way back up. If you need to drop to the knees, make sure that you're just leaning into your hands. You don't want to be here like this, going down into a push-up. It's going to be a little awkward. Hello, Oreo. How are you? So we're leaning into our hands, and we're going down into that push-up, all the way back up. Again, that core is tucked in tight. Essentially, you can also elevate your hands off of a chair, a bench, a box, a step, whatever you have. And you can also put your hands against the wall and have your feet out a little bit. So essentially like this, doing a push-up. And then I should have stayed on the ground because you're going to finish off with 10 sit-ups. So we're down on the ground, our knees are bent, our feet are flat on the floor. For this sit-up, I'd like you to have your hands up overhead, and you're basically going to sit all the way up, all the way back down, all the way up, all the way back down. If you need to, just have your hands on your legs. This is going to be a little bit easier on your lower back and not as difficult as the first option. So you're just going to slide your hands up to your knees and then back down. Okay? So that's your 2 options there. All right, so like I said, 10 reps per exercise, going for 10 rounds as quickly as possible. Once you reach 30 minutes, go ahead and stop. So make sure before you start that first burpee, you set a timer for 30 minutes, or you just press start on your timer and you see how long it takes you, and then you can always come back to this workout at another time and try to beat the time that you did today. All right, so that's your workout for the week. Hope you have a great week, make great choices, do great things. As always, high five.